In this video, we shall show you how you can configure your system academics. Great, now let us quickly review your academic setup. Tusome has already pre-configured this based on your school type. Your main job is to check the details and make any necessary changes. Let us start with academic year. First, go to academic year tab. You'll see the current year is already set up. To make a change, like adjusting the year name or setting a different year as active, just click the Actions button. Next, click on Edit. Update the information and save. This ensures all your data is grouped collectively in that particular academic year. If you want to add a new academic year, you just simply click on the New button and make same changes. Next, managing the term. Let us look at terms. The standard forms for your school are already set here. Your task is to check the start and the end date of each term. Click on Actions, Edit, on a term to verify or just change this date. Most importantly, make sure that the term is set as active and you can change the term when the term has ended to another term. Reviewing classes and streams. Now let us check your classes and streams. The typical class structures for a school like yours is already created. Click through the list and make sure that all your classes are there. If you need to rename a class or add a stream on a class, like adding blue or red to P5 or to Senior 5, you can do that by using the Edit button under the Action button. You just customize the blueprint that the system has already set for you. Your task is to either add a stream or remove or rename a class or make any necessary changes that you need and save. Next, verifying your subjects. Finally, review the subjects that the system has already set for you. A full list of common subjects that's taught in Uganda are already loaded. Scan through them. If you offer a unique subject or need to change a name of a subject, click on Actions and Update, or click on a New button to add a new subject. These subjects are important because they're the one that powers the system, so you actually need to double check and make sure that all the subjects are set. Remember, to set a subject teacher, you set them from this very module so that these teachers can be able to submit marks for these respective subjects. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've reviewed and personalized the academic foundation for your school. You are now ready to proceed. For more information, visit www.8technologies.net or send us a WhatsApp message.